Keep going, keep going. You getting stuck?
Yeah.
You want me to push you?
Probably do a lot better if the wheel wasn't dead.
Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. Is he going uphill? No. You want to go the other way? It's easier for him to go this way, I guess.
Because it's downhill.
Yeah. Go, baby. Go. Go.
It won't be long until someone comes around the corner 90 miles an hour.
That's a good boy. You having fun?
Probably just look better if he had shoes on, too.
Yeah.
He's doing fine. He's pushing it.
Go, baby, go. Isn't that cute? You look so cute, Pumpkin. Where's Daddy? He's all the way up there. You want to go see him?
No.
Let's turn around. He's booking it. He's booking it now. Whoa, watch out. Okay, let's go back this way. Oh, let's go see Emma and Grandpa. Ready? Go, 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 go. It's harder for him to go, yeah. You done?
No, hold my bicycle.
You want to...
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.